You're digging through last year's garden bed, pulling weeds, when you notice something unexpected. Dozens of tiny seedlings clustered exactly where your favorite flower bloomed last summer. You didn't plant them. You didn't buy new seeds. The plant did all the work while you weren't looking. And in that moment, you realize the smartest gardeners aren't planting annuals every spring. They're planting once and harvesting volunteers forever. Today I'm showing you 13 self-seeding perennials you can plant this May that will naturalize and spread year after year without replanting. Stick around for number 9. It's a medicinal herb that reseeds so aggressively in containers that one plant becomes 50 in 2 seasons, and you'll never buy chamomile tea again. Plant 1 columbine. Number 1. Columbine, the shade-tolerant perennial that creates fairy tale drifts. Columbine produces intricate spurred flowers in nearly every color. Each flower develops into a seed capsule containing 50, 100 tiny black seeds that scatter within a 3-foot radius when the capsule dries and splits. Growing requirements: thrives in zones 3-8. Prefers partial shade but tolerates full sun in cooler climates. Plant transplants in May, spacing 12-15 inches apart. First bloom occurs second spring. Flowers appear April through June. Container tip: use containers at least 12 inches deep. Columbine develops a taproot that needs depth. For balconies, choose compact varieties like Bittermeyer that stay under 12 inches tall. The Columbine secret: deadhead half the flowers for continuous blooms. Leave the other half to set seed for next year's volunteers. Plant 2 foxglove. Number 2. Foxglove, the biennial tower that perpetuates itself forever. Foxglove is technically biennial but reseeds so reliably that you'll always have flowering plants. The tall spikes, 4 to 6 feet, produce thousands of dust-fine seeds that scatter on wind. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 4-9. Needs partial to full shade. Plant seeds or transplants in May. Space 18-24 inches apart. Flowers appear May through July of second year. Container requirements: use 5-gallon containers minimum. Stake taller varieties or choose compact types like Camelot that stay under 3 feet. Critical warning: all parts are toxic if ingested. Keep away from children and pets. Plant 3 bachelor's button. Number 3. Bachelor's button, the cottage garden classic that naturalizes in gravel. Bachelor's button produces bright blue, pink, or white pom-pom flowers. Each flower produces 30-40 seeds. A single plant produces 50-100 flowers. That's 1,500 to 4,000 seeds per plant. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 2-11. Prefers full sun, minimum 6 hours. Tolerates poor soil. Direct seed in May. Space 6-12 inches apart. Blooms 8-10 weeks after planting. Container tip: needs only 6-8 inches soil depth. Grow in shallow window boxes where deep-rooted perennials won't fit. The bachelor's button secret: it self-seeds readily in gravel paths and between pavers. Seeds lodge in cracks and germinate with minimal soil. Plant 4 lemon balm. Number 4. Lemon balm, the medicinal mint that becomes a permanent garden resident. Lemon balm produces intensely lemon-scented leaves used for anxiety, sleep issues, and digestion. One plant becomes 20 within 2 years without intervention. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 4-9. Grows in full sun to full shade. Plant transplants in May, spacing 18-24 inches apart. Reaches 2-3 feet tall by midsummer. The lemon balm secret: cut plants back by half in midsummer before flowering to control spread while encouraging fresh leafy growth for harvest. Medicinal use: harvest leaves anytime. 3 to 4 fresh leaves per cup of boiling water creates calming tea that aids sleep and reduces anxiety within 20-30 minutes. Had you even heard of lemon balm self-seeding aggressively before today? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Plant 5 nigella. Number 5. Nigella, the feathery annual that perpetuates itself like a perennial. Nigella produces intricate blue, pink, or white flowers surrounded by thread-like foliage. After bloom, inflated seed pods develop containing 50-80 black seeds, the same edible seeds used in cooking. Growing requirements: grows in zones 2-11 as self-seeding annual. Prefers full sun. Direct seed in May. Space 8-10 inches apart. Blooms 8-10 weeks after seeding. Container application: needs only 8 inches soil depth. Plant 4. 6 plants per 12-inch pot for full cottage garden effect. Culinary bonus, collect seeds from dried pods for cooking. They have a nutty, slightly bitter flavor used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Plant 6 sweet alyssum. Number 6. Sweet alyssum. The fragrant ground cover that fills every gap. Sweet alyssum produces clusters of tiny white, pink, or purple flowers with honey-like fragrance. It grows 4-8 inches tall, spreading sideways. Seeds are microscopic, 3,000 seeds per gram. Growing requirements. Grows in zones 5-9 as self-seeding annual. Prefers full sun but tolerates partial shade. Direct seed or transplant in May. Space 6-8 inches apart. Container tip. Plant sweet alyssum as edging around taller plants in large containers. It cascades over pot edges and reseeds into the same container year after year. The sweet alyssum secret? It reseeds into cracks between pavers and along path edges, creating naturalized cottage garden effect. Plant 7 Johnny Jump Up. Number 7. Johnny Jump Up, the tiny viola with nomadic tendencies. Johnny Jump Up is a miniature viola with flowers barely an inch across in purple, yellow, and white combinations. Each flower becomes a capsule containing 30-50 seeds that explode outward when capsules dry. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 4-8. Prefers full sun to partial shade. Plant transplants or direct seed in May. Space 6-8 inches apart. Container advantage: small enough for 4-inch pots. They'll reseed into neighboring containers and create unexpected color combinations. Edible flowers. Completely edible with mild, slightly sweet flavor. Used to garnish salads, freeze in ice cubes, or candy for cake decorations. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button right now. It helps more gardeners find this. Plant 8 Purple Coneflower. Number 8. Purple coneflower, the prairie native that creates permanent drifts. Purple coneflower produces large purple-pink daisy flowers surrounding prominent cone centers. Each flower head produces 100-200 seeds. It's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and reseeds moderately. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 3-9. Needs full sun minimum 6 hours. Tolerates poor soil and drought once established. Plant transplants in May. Space 18, 24 inches apart. Container requirements: use 5-gallon containers minimum. Coneflower develops substantial taproot needing depth. The purple coneflower secret? Leave flower heads standing through winter for bird food and natural reseeding. The dried seed heads provide winter interest. Plant 9 chamomile. Number 9. Chamomile, the tea herb that reseeds into a permanent chamomile lawn. German chamomile reseeds so aggressively that one plant becomes hundreds within 2 seasons. Each flower produces 1,000+ microscopic seeds. A single plant produces 50-100 flowers. That's 50 to 100,000 seeds per plant. Growing requirements: grows in zones 2-9 as self-seeding annual. Prefers full sun, minimum 6 hours. Tolerates poor soil, direct seed in May. Space 6-8 inches apart. Container explosion. Plant 1 chamomile in a 6-inch pot. By next year, you'll have dozens of volunteers in every container on your balcony. Harvest strategy: pick flowers when fully open. Dry on screens in dark, well-ventilated space. Use 1 tablespoon dried flowers per cup of tea. 1 plant provides enough for 50+ cups. Plant 10 Black-Eyed Susan. Number 10. Black-Eyed Susan, the prairie wildflower that naturalizes in full sun. Black-Eyed Susan produces bright yellow daisy flowers with dark brown centers. It's a short-lived perennial that reseeds reliably. Each flower produces 100-200 seeds in the central cone. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 3-9. Needs full sun, minimum 6 hours. Tolerates poor soil, drought, and clay. Plant transplants in May. Space 18, 24 inches apart. Container requirements: use 3-gallon containers minimum. For balconies, choose compact varieties like Toto that stay under 12 inches tall. Wildlife value: attracts butterflies, bees, and predatory insects. Plant 11 Shasta Daisy. Number 11. Shasta Daisy, the classic white daisy that divides and reseeds. Shasta daisy produces large white flowers with yellow centers on sturdy stems. It spreads both by division and by seed. Each flower produces 50-100 seeds. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 5-9. Needs full sun minimum 6 hours. Prefers well-draining soil. Plant transplants in May, spacing 18-24 inches apart. Container tip: needs 5-gallon containers minimum. Divide container grown plants annually to maintain performance. The Shasta daisy secret: divide plants every 2-3 years in early spring or fall. This prevents overcrowding and gives you additional plants. Plant 12 Sweet William. Number 12. Sweet William, the fragrant biennial that perpetuates itself forever. Sweet William produces dense clusters of fragrant flowers in pink, red, white, and bi-colors. It's technically biennial but reseeds reliably. Each flower cluster produces dozens of capsules, each containing 30-50 seeds. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 3-9. Needs full sun to partial shade. Plant transplants in May, space 12-15 inches apart. Flowers appear May through July of second year. Container application: thrives in 3-gallon containers. Volunteers will appear in the same containers year after year. Fragrance bonus: intense clove-like fragrance, strongest in evening. Plant near seating areas on balconies where you'll appreciate the scent. Plant 13 Verbena bonariensis. Number 13. Verbena bonariensis, the airy see-through perennial that floats above everything. Verbena bonariensis produces tiny purple flowers in clusters atop tall, wiry stems reaching 3-5 feet. The stems are so thin you can see through the plant. Each flower cluster produces 4 seeds. Plants produce hundreds of clusters. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 7-11. Needs full sun minimum 6 hours. Tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil. Plant transplants in May. Space 18-24 inches apart. Container requirements: use 5-gallon containers minimum to support tall stems. For balconies, stake stems to railings. Butterfly magnet: attracts butterflies more than almost any other perennial. Monarchs, swallowtails, and skippers visit continuously. So to recap, we covered columbine, foxglove, bachelor's button, lemon balm, nigella, sweet alyssum, Johnny jump up, purple coneflower, chamomile, black-eyed Susan, Shasta daisy, Sweet William, and Verbena bonariensis. All self-seeding perennials that naturalize with minimal intervention. Plant them this May for a permanent, self-renewing garden. If this gave you at least one new idea, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. We post new growing guides every week. Which of these 13 self-seeding perennials are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Self-seeding plants are the ultimate low-maintenance strategy. Plant once, harvest volunteers forever. Now, go plant something permanent. I'll see you in the next video.